Hey guys, so here's Voodoo here. You know that I had computer issues the past couple of months, so I bought a new one. And what I wanted to share with you today is the unboxing of this. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the Alienware Area 51M. It is the R1. And there she is. So, here she is. Pretty nice design. It's a 17-inch. Got an RTX 2070. I believe it's a i7. 32 gigs of RAM. 1.5 terabytes of storage. So we have that. What else do we have here? We have power cords. Always good. I have here a 240 watt adapter. And here we have 180 watt adapter. So it's 330 watts of power total. Pretty beefy for a laptop. So there we go, there's the laptop here. What else we got here? Little thing on Alienware. Not that I'm ever gonna read that. And what is this? Looks like warranty information. And pretty much how to plug your stuff up and turn it on. Pretty interesting actually. Not that we'll ever use any of this ever again, but you know, always good to keep it in handy. So we'll stick that right there. Put that back that way. Looks like that's it. Next, setting it up. So guys, here's the Alienware finally set up. Took me a little bit to get my streaming area set back up. I'm still not 100% done. As you can see, I'm streaming over there on Discord. But still not 100% done. Still got some settings to tweak. One setting that I did find when I was playing games over the weekend was games kept stuttering and lagging, and the setting for the power management for NVIDIA was set to optimize, and it should have been on adaptive. I did that and things are working great. So here it is. There's all the pretty colors here. The little 3 flashing lights, that's the Tobii Eyetracking. This is a 17.3 inch screen, 144 megahertz, I think. I don't remember exactly all the specs, but I will post it in the description down below. You're going to switch it around to the back side so you can see the LEDs on the back end. So there is what I call the exhaust port. I have it set red so that it kind of gives off that hot flavor. That's it, and I'll see you back on Twitch shortly.